out his number for people interested in Igbo TK to call him. The pastor also offers a proxy service for those who live outside Nigeria, as they can send a representative. It appears that many believe in this, as the money ritual sessions never lack participants who wish to boutique. The worrying part is that this is no longer fictional home video, the type shown on African magic channels, but real life videos. The participants are so desperate that they do not mind being videoed naked inside the river where they are partaking in money rituals. Many call for the pastor to be arrested for misleading the people and for promoting a culture of laziness amongst NDIGBO. Others argue that the pastor should be left alone as he's rendering a service. Well, those who ask that the pastor be left alone also argue that he's bold to be doing it publicly, what some other men of God do in secret. Well, thankfully, Anambra State government through the Nigerian police effected the arrest of the pastor, although he was later released. However, to me, the deed has been done. Yes, only Jesus no longer does his videos publicly, but we don't know what he's doing privately. Traditionally, NDIGBO are known to work hard for their money. This worrisome trend, unfortunately, will take NDIGBO back to the Anenwe days, when our people abandoned their legitimate businesses and hustle for other get-rich-quick schemes. If continued, it will feed further the stereotype that the average Igbo man or woman achieved wealth through money rituals. Hopefully, those that are flocking down the rivers of Babylon will not complain one day, like Andy in the movie Living in Bondage, that Paul was ready for. So what are the solutions? Igbo men should return to public service. My experience in the past 7 years and interactions with others suggest that the service in Nigeria is predominantly female dominated. Someone joked that our brothers are all at Main Market Onitsha and Aspanda Market Lagos. They are in Asia and all over the world, hustling, in quotes. It is for a reason that our forefathers had names such as Ezia Fakego. My father always told us to remember the children of whom you are. This acted as moral compasses for us growing up. What about today? We have to promote other successful role models for our young persons to look up to. The likes of Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, Chimamanda Adichie, Ernest Azudialu, and so many others. These are people that have made it in the professions. At the moment, the inspiration is coming more from those who have made money through questionable means, and it's all negative. Whatever happened to respect in our society? We read recently the story of a lecturer in one of Nigeria's universities complaining that students had bought cars with money made fraudulently through Yahoo and have taken over parking spots meant for lecturers in the school. I call on parents, community leaders, members of civil society, the media, and relevant stakeholders to call our young men and women to order. The highway they are onto will only lead to doom and destruction. Once again, thank you so much, all the organizing team, for giving me this opportunity.